Good day, everyone, and welcome to Mommy Guide Inc. For those who are new to my channel, I am Mommy Lala. Today, we're going to do another unboxing, this time around, from Isabela Samson Madero of Isabela Madero Designs. We had her, I think, about a month ago, and this was a package that she gave to me, I think, a day before that episode, but I have still yet to unbox or open it up. So I will see it together alongside with you all for the very first time. I know that you are excited as I am to see what's inside the package. So let's start unboxing. Let's open it up. Alright. So you would see. Oops. Yes. I really love the ribbon. It contains the name My Little Attic Studio because indeed Isabela Samson Madero is one of the beautiful daughters of Nanette Samson Madero of My Little Attic Studio. Okay, finally, let's open it up. Aww, it even has a card, Tita Lala. I appreciate everything you do. Oh, thank you so much, Isa. Okay, what else is inside the box? This one. Take time to do what makes your soul happy. Ooh. Alright. Okay, so let's see. Let's line them up. Again, this is the wooden rubber stamp. It's red rubber stamp, and I really love the images that red rubber stamps actually make. Okay, and then this is the first one. Okay, it's a set of postcards. Artwork by Isabela Samson Madero. IM illustrations. Look at the texture of the card, the postcard. It's really so nice. Okay. Remember, we had her like a month ago. She taught us basic doodling. This is one of her doodled works from 2020. And this is another one of an elephant. And of a giraffe. Amazing details, right, guys? You're so good, Isabela. This one's the most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. Audrey Hepburn. Again, all the artworks, okay, are by Isabela Samson Madero. Here's another one. But in the end, it's only a passing thing. The shadow, even darkness must pass. A new day will come. And when the sun shines, it will shine out clearer. Lord of the Rings, The Towers. Once you choose hope, anything's possible. From Christopher Reeve. Nice. I love the color in this one. To love another person is to see the face of God. From Les Miserables. Wow. Majestic peacock. All right. So those are the postcards. Again, these are just some of the artworks that you can find in Isabela Madero Designs on Instagram. Okay, the next one is actually a set of note cards. Okay, it says letter L because my name is, yes, Lala. Okay, look at that. So there's doodling as well on the letter L and some watercolor. Okay, this one says watercolor artwork by Isabela Samson Madero, September of 2018. Alright. Next one is another set of, I think it's another set of note cards. Wonderfully packaged as well. Oh, this is a bird collection, I think. Watercolor again, artwork by Isabela from August 2018. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at the detail in this. Again, these are artworks, just some of the artworks of Isabela Samson Madero. Thank you, dear Isabela. Yeah, and of course, a set of envelopes coordinates with it. And last but not the least is this one in this hard box, handmade hard box. Okay, which contains, again, I think it's a set of note cards again, but in a smaller size. Okay, you saw the bigger version here a while ago. Oh, set of 2 per design, I think. Yes. Top. Oh, okay. The next ones are, I think, plants. Okay, again, illustrated by Isabela Samson Madero. You can follow her on IG at IMillustrations or Isabela Madero Designs. Beautiful, right? Again, these are a set of note cards. These are actually available, all available on My Little Attic Studio and on Isabela Madero Designs Instagram account. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me again for another unboxing here at Mommy Guide Inc. Mommy Guide Inc. Again, Isabela, thank you so much, anak, for this wonderful gift. And congratulations once again for graduating just several weeks back. With that, I hope that you could join me again for another unboxing here at Mommy Guide Inc. Bye!